This, the third in a series of leadership courses, will take participants through learning about the importance of delivering value to your employees and customers through your leadership. You will develop your own focus of what the key elements of great leaders possess and what the responsibility is they have to create relationship-centered environments. Topics include leadership value and delivering that value, vision and inspiration, building capacity to adapt and accommodate, accepting responsibility, designing and communicating your focus, building organizational teams and community, elements of motivation, and what motivates leaders to get up in the morning. Several activities will help you define the value that you as a leader will provide to your organization.